Hey, what's up? I'm Jose 80828. I'm gonna try to make a paper plane. Kind of fast. It looks like this. Small. Stealth, you know. Anyways. First, you fold the paper, right? Like a regular fucking airplane. Doesn't matter if it's even or not. And fold it down. Like about an inch. Like, you know, separation right there. As you can see. And you fold it like that. And fold it again on the other side. Doesn't matter if it's even or not. Then do it again. Alright. Looks like I'm like a heart, right? But anyways, just have to keep going. Alright. Then you fold it. It's kind of rough. Too much paper into it, so small. You do little wings on it. Doesn't matter the size. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. There it is. Now let's do some testing. Alright, let's see how fast it goes. Alright, it might bend a little. That's it. So, now, my brother wants to show us that on my foot. Sleeper!